Hi, welcome back to Cotton Creation. So today I'm bringing you another vegan recipe, and this one was actually inspired by Auntie Tabitha Brown. She recently did a vegan deviled egg recipe that I'm so curious about. So if you're interested in going on the journey with me, stay tuned. But before we hop into it, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more awesome videos. Let's jump into it. Now, y'all know I'm from Maryland, so if this works out, okay, then I'm gonna do a Maryland blue crab inspired deviled egg, same as what I used to do before I was vegan. So yeah, let's cross our fingers, say our prayers, because I need this to work out, okay? So let's talk about what you'll need for this recipe.
So of course you need some white mushrooms. I'm using apple cider vinegar, black salt, and some water. And then of course you want to make sure it's just the caps of the mushrooms, so it's super easy to remove. So since this is my first time trying this recipe, I am not measuring anything. I'm just going to let the spirit lead me. So I'm just going to add the apple cider vinegar and a really good amount of black salt. I'm going to shake it up. And then I'm just going to place the mushrooms right inside of our water mixture or brine or marinade. I'm not sure what we should call this, but we're going to put our mushrooms right in it. Oh my God, it smells like boiled eggs. So beware. And then I'm going to let these soak overnight, and periodically throughout the day I'm just going to go back and shake up the jar just to make sure that the mushrooms on top are getting some love. So now moving on to our filling, I'm going to use mustard, mayo, vegan of course, all of these things, sweet relish, some chickpeas or also known as garbanzo beans, some sugar, some black salt, garlic powder, smoked paprika, some pink Himalayan salt or obey, and black pepper, and a little bit of dill. And I'm first going to add in my chickpeas to my food processor with the mayo, and I'm just going to blend that up. Next, I'm just going to add in my sweet relish as well as the mustard. And then I'm also going to add in all of my seasonings. So, because I'm from Maryland and I used to do crab deviled eggs, I would put Old Bay seasoning. And so for this recipe that I'm going to show on camera today, I am going to put Old Bay seasoning. But if you never had it or don't like Old Bay seasoning, of course you can just use regular salt or pink Himalayan salt, whatever you prefer. But you want to go ahead and add it in now. And I'm just going to add some sugar into my filling, and you can add as little or as much as you like to taste. And so this is what you should be looking like at this step. And it's a not too thin, but not too thick either filling.
All right, y'all, so it is time to put together our vegan deviled eggs made out of the mushrooms that I had soaked overnight in that water, vinegar, black salt mixture. So this is what it's looking like right now. I did go in the refrigerator and shake it up a few times throughout the process just to make sure that the ones on top were getting a little love. But yeah, so we got these, and then of course, you know, we got our filling that we made out of the chickpeas, and I made that the same day that I soaked these. So everything's been in the fridge overnight and chilling. And of course, you know, we're gonna put a little bit of smoked paprika on top, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it, okay? I am nervous, baby. I mean, I'm more open-minded about trying new things, but it's been a process getting there. And I'm just so nervous about this because I just feel like, you know, how's a mushroom gonna taste like an egg? But there's crazier things that we've made taste like other things, like a carrot tasting like a hot dog. So I just keep reminding myself of those things. So the mixture doesn't taste as strong and eggy as it did when I first did it. Oh my God, when I first did it, it was definitely smelling like a boiled egg. But not so intense right now. So let's go ahead and put this together. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, I'm repurposing my mason jar that I get my juice in from Juice Plug. My boy Marquise is the owner, proud owner, black owned. So if you haven't heard of them, make sure you're following Juice Plug on Instagram.
There you have it, and this is what it should look like at this point. But let's go ahead and try one.
All right, y'all ready to do this? Y'all see? That's what it's looking like. Okay. Let's say a prayer. Lord, we thank you for this food. Please let this taste like a deviled egg, or at least something good. Because if it don't, we're gonna have some problems. In Jesus' name, amen. Is anybody else nervous? Okay. We done prayed about it. Let it go. Let God. Okay, it's not bad. Maybe it's definitely not bad. I can't necessarily say it's fully giving me deviled egg. The feeling is for sure. But the mushroom, maybe I need to add more black salt to the, what are we calling this? Marinade? To the water mixture. So it takes on more of an eggy flavor. Maybe that's what needs to happen. But it's definitely potential here. This filling is amazing. Oh, I didn't show y'all the inside. Shoot. Can y'all see? So, the mushroom itself has a really good texture for a deviled egg. And soaking it is a must. I think it could work. I just got to figure out what the right amount of black salt is, because, baby, black salt is intense. You really don't need that much. So I didn't want to, for the first time, I did not want to overpower the water mixture. But I see that I went a little too light. So I'm going to have to amp it up a little bit more. But all in all, I think it's got a lot of potential. I'm glad I tried it. Man, that filling is amazing. Yeah. I might go a little lighter on the vinegar next time. I can taste it, but it's kind of faint. Maybe it's fine. It's probably just the black salt. Yeah, I think it's just the black salt that I need to increase. That's it. And probably add a little bit of salt to the liquid as well. And maybe even some garlic powder. I'm gonna work it out. I'm gonna come back and report when I've perfected it. Y'all know what else you could do with the filling? Is you could cut up the mushrooms, right? Put it inside the filling and make a vegan egg salad sandwich. Okay? Okay. Where you heard that at first? Right here at Cotton Creations. Alright, so that's it for today. Let me know what you guys think of this video and if you're planning to try it out, or if you've already tried it out and figured out what that water mixture should be, let me know that too. But in the meantime, make sure y'all wash your hands, stay your distance, wear your mask, and be blessed.